In the heart of an ancient African forest, where the sun's golden rays filtered through the dense canopy, a myriad of creatures coexisted, each contributing to the vibrant tapestry of life. Among them were two notable figures: Mbeku, the tortoise known for his wit and cunning, and Tembo, the elephant celebrated for his immense strength, but notorious for his insatiable greed. One fateful season, the forest was blessed with an extraordinary bounty. A majestic baobab tree bore an abundance of succulent fruits, their sweet aroma wafting through the air and enticing all the forest dwellers. The animals, eager to partake in the feast, gathered beneath the towering tree, their eyes gleaming with anticipation. However, Tembo, towering over the assembly, proclaimed, "This tree and all its fruits belong to me. My strength has protected this forest. Thus, I shall enjoy this harvest alone." With a mighty sweep of his trunk, he scattered the smaller animals, asserting his dominance and greedily devouring the luscious fruits. The forest buzzed with discontent, but none dared to challenge Tembo. None except Mbeku. Observing the situation, Mbeku's sharp mind began to churn. He approached Tembo with a deferential bow and said, "O mighty Tembo, surely one of your stature deserves not just any fruit, but the finest of them all. Legend speaks of a fruit atop this very baobab, imbued with the power to grant unparalleled wisdom and strength." Tembo's eyes widened with greed. "And how do I obtain this fruit?" he demanded. Mbeku smiled slyly. "It is simple. You must tie a sturdy rope around your waist, and I shall secure the other end to the tree. As you climb, the rope will support you, ensuring you reach the pinnacle safely." Eager to claim the mythical fruit, Tembo agreed. Mbeku fetched a robust rope, and with meticulous care, fastened it around Tembo's massive girth, securing the other end to the baobab's base. As Tembo began his ascent, the animals watched in astonishment, for never had they seen an elephant climb a tree. Higher and higher Tembo climbed, the prospect of unparalleled power fueling his determination. However, as he neared the treetop, Mbeku, with a mischievous glint in his eye, began to gnaw at the rope. With each bite, the fibers weakened until, with a resounding snap, the rope gave way. Tembo plummeted from the great height, crashing through branches before landing with a thunderous thud. Dazed and bruised, he struggled to his feet, only to find the entire forest erupting in laughter. Mbeku approached the fallen giant, a triumphant grin on his face. "Oh, mighty Tembo," he mocked. "It seems your greed has led to your downfall." Quite literally. Humiliated and in pain, Tembo realized the folly of his ways. His greed had not only deprived the other animals, but had also brought about his own disgrace. Seeking redemption, he declared, "From this day forth, the fruits of the baobab belong to all who dwell in this forest. Let this be a lesson to those who let greed cloud their judgment." The animals cheered, and harmony was restored. As for Mbeku, his cleverness became legendary, a testament to the power of wit over brute strength. Conclusion: this tale, passed down through generations, serves as a poignant reminder of the perils of greed and the virtue of sharing. In the vast expanse of the African wilderness, where stories are the lifeblood of culture, the legend of Mbeku and Tembo continues to inspire, teaching that true strength lies not in domination, but in unity and wisdom. Hey there, wonderful people! If you're enjoying the content I create, I'd love to invite you to be a part of this journey by hitting that subscribe button. Your support means everything to me. As a small creator, every single subscription is like a burst of encouragement that keeps me going. It tells me that you're enjoying what I do and that I should keep rolling out amazing content just for you. Your kindness in subscribing helps this channel grow, and more than anything, it fills my heart with gratitude knowing that there are people like you who believe in what I do. So, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. It's free, takes just a second, and makes all the difference. Thank you for being here. You are truly appreciated. Love.